hi guys. How many Game of Thrones fan here? Yeah. Okay, so I'll be talking on getting started with Certified Kubernetes Administrator by Kubernauts. Uh, as uh, my introduction, well, I'm the producer of uptime, breaker of pipelines. For people who don't get a Game of Thrones reference, they tend to call me a cloud automation and DevOps engineer. Uh, so this Monday in the OSS Summit North America, CNCF announced their first certification around Kubernetes, which is Certified Kubernetes Administrator. The exam as of now costs $300, is on Kubernetes 1.6.2. In the examination, you will be presented by a total of 8 different clusters across which you'll have to solve different problems that would be ranging from something as basic as creating a pod to something as complex as creating the whole cluster manually. So for this particular exam and for the community around Kubernetes, some people formed a group, and we call ourselves Kubernauts, with just one and single idea behind the whole group. And that is to learn, share, and help the community around Kubernetes grow as big, as much as possible. So, yeah. So this is the complete training plan that we have came up with. So we'll start with CKA, and then we are currently working on specialized training material. And yeah, by the way, it all will be completely 100% free, forever free. Free as in freedom free, not as in beer. So so we'll start with CKA, so people who are interested in the certification can get the certification, and once they're through the certification, with the help of our specialized training program, we simply will help them to specialize and get certificate of expertise in dedicated areas of Kubernetes, be it things like networking, storage, or security, and other things. So as of now, we have a bunch of getting started or a bunch of training materials available on Gitbook. Those training materials range from all different, for all people with all sort of proficiencies, for newbies, for experts, for novices, with things like setting up a Kubernetes bare metal cluster using Cube Spray, which was earlier called Cargo, or using, yeah, feel free to join us, and we'll love to have you on board. Thank you.